Hey there. So in this video, we're going to talk about an asset that is called bundles. So before we start, I'll just explain that bundles is the option to add a few products together to the cart. So like the name, so actually adding a bundle of products. I'm sure you know this maybe from Amazon or a lot of stores actually use this concept. So we offer this asset as well. The way to create it, of course, is to going by assets. You can just click here on create. And then we choose cross-selling and upselling and choose bundles. Before I do, just something here, bundles is actually one of the only assets we have that can only be on a specific type of page. So like we said before, all of our assets can be placed on all types of pages: homepage, collection page, product page, etc., etc. But bundles is an asset that specifically only goes on the product page. So you'll see once I click on it, I can change the name, but it won't ask me which type of page I want it to be positioned on because it's automatically the product page. Then what you can see here, I'm in the editor of the bundles. And what happened here, once I create the asset, the platform actually automatically creates bundles for me. So as you can see, each row here is a bundle that the platform created. And how does it do so? It actually looks at all of the recent purchases and knows to say, okay, this is a product that usually when people bought this hair mask, they also bought these three products together. So that basically is how it works and how the automated bundles work. And then another thing that is important to know here is that the way the bundles work is, as you can see here, this column is under product, and then you have this one that is bundled with. So what is the difference between them? Under product, you'll see the main product, meaning the product here is the product where in its product page, this asset will be presented. So in the product page of the hair mask, you will be proposed to have a bundle of all of these four products. And in the product page of the men's shampoos, you'll have proposed to be to add the bundle of all of these four products. So that's basically the concept from bundles. And then, of course, you can see the status of the bundle, if it is connected, if it has a bundle, if it doesn't have a bundle. A lot of times the platform won't create bundles for all of the products. So as I said, it uses data from purchases. So it might only create for some. So if you only want to see the ones that it didn't create or see all of them, so you can always filter by this. And then the main thing here is that, of course, the platform does allow you to change and edit the bundles, or maybe do them all by yourself. So let's say I want to edit this bundle and I think this product does definitely not go with this bundle. So I can just click on the X here, and then this product will not show in the bundle. And I also am able to add other products to the bundle. So here I can search. This is actually kind of like a mini feed here. So I can search any product I have in my feeds and then just drag it here, really drag and drop into the square, and then the bundle is edited. So that is basically how it's done. Another cool thing here is that you can actually import, if you want, a CSV file that already has the bundle. So if it's easier for a client, a lot of times clients maybe have kind of an organized bundles that they would like to do, or it's easier for them maybe to do it so they can just upload the file directly, and then the bundles will be created, of course, with the SKU or variant. It's whatever they prefer. And if not, they can edit it through here. So both of them work. And then another really important thing to say about bundles. As you can see here, I have 11 bundles. This means that the bundles will only be shown on 11 product pages. So if I only have 11 bundles, but I have 100 product pages, only those 11 products will show in their product pages of bundles, because I only have bundles for them. So that is also something important to know, which is also good sometimes to tell clients when they maybe want to test out the concept of bundles. Okay, you don't need to worry. You can just test it on one of the product pages, or maybe 5 of the product pages. And if it works, we can always add some more. So that is another option there. And then, okay, we have the bundles, we edit them, we're good. And then we go into design. So in design, again, this is the editor. We can design and edit every single part here. We do have 3 different templates of the bundle, so 3 different options. So this is a template 1, template 2 looks more like that, and then template 3. So these are basically the 3 templates. Merchants, it depends, whatever they prefer. And then something important here, I forgot to say here. So if I'm going back to bundles, you have here on each row, choose discount. So this actually allows you to create a discount and maybe only apply it to a certain bundle. So for example, this one here has a bundle that is 10% off the bundle. So if you buy the bundle, you get 10% off, it depends on which bundle it is connected to. So here, if I want it to be connected to this, so I just do apply selected, and only this bundle will get 10% off. We will talk about those little discounts in a different video. Okay, perfect. Going back to design. So under advanced, again, you have everything here. You can also prefer here to show rich media. Just reminder here, this means that if you have images tagged for products, you can actually show the image that you tagged instead of the images that are taken automatically from the feed. So that's an option there. This is text, of course. You have here some different components that you might want to change. So for example, here, wait, I'll just turn my bubble here. So you have this item. So this text, maybe if it's in a different language, you want to change that or write anything else. And then also just to explain here, this item is the product that we are on its product page. That will be this item. Perfect. And under button here, something important, you cannot, of course, change the function of the button, and it should always be add to cart. I don't know why it says shop now, but it is always add to cart, because the bundles, that's what it does. Once you click on the button, it will add both products or the products that are actually ticked into the cart. So that will be it. And then item price, we have 2 concepts here. So again, you have the item price and the total price. So sometimes you want to also display only the total price, or display the items price and the total price. So whatever you prefer. And that's it for bundles. Of course, we also have the segments. If we would like to have different segments, meaning different people or different segments of user will see different bundles, but we will talk about in the segments video. And of course, positioning.